VST, good candidate for swing trading, but also extremely risky. So let's draw trend lines. I can see a lot of touch point. Stock is coming out of correction. I will draw my horizontal zones to identify potential areas. There are multiple touch points identified. This is the high point which has acted as our support. The price has stopped declining there. On the daily chart, so many times the stock has given really strong corrections, but then bounced back up. It has done it once again, and it has exactly stopped at our support that has been identified. Today in market crash, it has broken 3 support zones and gone to the 4th one. Now this 4th one happens to be the 100 EMA. So I am expecting a strong bounce back in VST Industries from here. I am going to keep my stop loss right below this support zone because 100 EMA is a strong support. Around 3800 is where the stop loss should lie. The target, because the stock is in a strong upward trajectory, I would expect at least the previous high of the stock to get retested. So 4800 would be a very conservative target. We have drawn the trend line exactly at 1.618 of the previous rally. I would expect the second target to be at 5127. So that's VST Industries.